What's up, guys? Thank you for coming to the channel, stopping by, hanging out with your boy for a minute. I want to make a quick video, just an intro to this January 1st, 2020. This is my first YouTube video officially. Again, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. I'm gonna make it real quick. My name is Dave Stewart. Grew up in the music business. My dad was a producer at Motown, an engineer for over 20 years. So I have a lot of background in music with iconic people, just learning and sitting around and listening to what those guys were doing. And now we have those legendary hits of today. So that's just a little bit of the background that I have in music. And now that I've transitioned into the music business, and now it's years later, I wanted to develop a channel that would help people to maybe just get started or help them advance in making their situation better, whether it be with music or contracts or sound or even video editing. I do that as well. So I've been blessed to be able to do a lot of things, and now I want to share all of that knowledge with you guys. So again, thank you guys for stopping by. We are in a new decade of 2020. This is awesome. I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to start this thing. So look out for some interviews, product reviews, tutorials, all the stuff that will, advance somebody in their career and help them fulfill their dreams, and hopefully I can be a part of that. Yes, the word of the day is philatus. I can't take credit for the word, but I can take credit for the definition. So don't worry about looking it up because it's not in the dictionary. But philatus is either food or money. So you can use it either way. Either I can go get some philatus, or I'm gonna go get these philatus. So depending on how you say it, you talking about food or money. And thinking about money, it's a great way to segue into helping a brother out.
Oh, come on now, look out for a brother, man, come on.
Click on the description below. I'll have some links set up if you want to support the channel right out the gate. I had 13 subscribers before I even posted this video, so thank you guys for all that. My family, my friends, I thank you guys for all your support. We're gonna do this thing in 2020. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so looking forward to it and getting things done. And remember, guys, you can never defeat a person that never gives up. I don't ever give up. So you ain't gonna defeat me. I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out.